Today I'm going to show you an easy way to do motion tracking in CapCut PC. So we have our video here of a volleyball player, and if we press play, we want to track that ball as closely as possible as it goes across the net. So to do that, we're going to click on text, default text, we're going to drag it on top of the main clip, and we're going to drag it the full length of the clip. Then we're going to click over here, and we'll just change this to a dot. Then we'll make that dot much bigger. We're going to use this as a reference point. So go ahead and try to center that dot as best you can. We'll just stay right about there. Next, we're going to click on the main clip. Then we're going to go over to the right hand side to add keyframe. We're going to add that keyframe right at the beginning of the video. Next, we're going to drag this over to where the motion starts, or where you think it starts. I'm going to say right about there. Again, with the bottom clip selected, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in the video a little bit, and I'm going to drag that dot, zoom in a little more. I'm going to drag that dot up a little higher, and then you can see it automatically when I did that created another keyframe, so you don't have to do that. Then I'm going to move it over a little bit, and we're going to continue to track this, and it created another keyframe. Let's move it along a little bit further. Let's continue to track the volleyball. See, another keyframe was created. Move it a little further, and let's zoom in on that one a little bit more. There we go. And then let's go a little bit further, and let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's delete the text. Let's go back to the start of the video. Let's go ahead and play it. And you can see we're now tracking the volleyball as it goes across the net. That's how you do motion tracking in CapCut PC. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.